What's up guys, Biker Dave here. I've had this old Husky portable air compressor for probably 20 years. And it works fine, but there's something I didn't realize about it, and I'm sure this is the same for most air compressors. Periodically you should take off the main hose, so loosen that guy, and then turn it on, and you'll probably see some hideous brown watery liquid come spraying out of there. Okay, so do that until it's clear. And sometimes it helps if you tilt the whole unit on its side, and stuff just comes billowing out of it. Also, turn it upside down. This valve right here, it's reverse threaded, but you'll loosen it. Let's see if I have a... Yeah, loosen it and it will let fluid come out of there also. Then tighten it, but like I said, it's reverse threaded. Tighten it until you hear no air coming out of it. But yeah, this hideous brown liquid comes spraying out of there also. So get it all out of there, and then you clean it out with whatever oil you want. I'm using like Marvel Mystery Oil. I'm just pouring some into each hole here, and with that off, pour some in there and just circulate it, turn it on, let it operate for a little bit, and yeah. And if yours is ancient like mine, it probably needs that kind of service also. And of course you should always let this out, pop that open and let it release some air pressure. But the liquid has just been in there for who knows how long. And then it seems to run smoother. It seems to have higher RPMs than it did before. And the hissing used to be almost constant even when the compressor would turn off. So hopefully that has been resolved. So far it has. So anyway, that may be something for you to do to any air compressor. Just take the hoses off and the valve at the bottom and just get all that gunky brown water out of there. Yeah. Oh, well, it's still doing that right there. Sometimes you can slam it right there and that'll turn off, or whatever leaking is going on there. Who knows what that is. It's been doing that for years though. Anyway, check out other videos. I got dozens of other videos, almost 2,000 videos relating to working around the shop, your house, your car, your dirt bike, your ATV, your scooter, your golf cart, appliances, all kinds of stuff. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen and shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you.